Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Steve. Alright, today's videos we're gonna do unboxing, and as you guys know that I love Disney, right? So a couple months ago I discovered this service. It's a mystery box service all the way from Hong Kong. It's called Magically Pick Me Up. Did I say that right? I discovered this mystery box service all the way from Hong Kong Disney. It's called Magical Pick Me Up. Ta-da! And apparently I forgot to film a video for September box. So this is the September box. That's November box. Well, either one, you're going to figure it out. So we're going to open both box into this video to show you what I got. More information I'm going to put in the description below so you can check it out. This is not a sponsored video. They didn't pay me. I had to pay for this. But I'm really loving the stuff I receive every month all the way from Hong Kong. So if you like video like this, make sure you follow me over here. Turn on the notification bell so the time and day I release my video. Let's get started this video. Okay, well, either way, I forgot which month, so I'm gonna just go ahead to open this one first, okay? Like I say, this is the monthly subscription service. They have a two type of box, small box and bigger box, and I chose the bigger box. And what's so cool about this is that when you first subscribe the service, you can choose what category do you like. And of course, I chose this. I chose pins, and that's the one thing I want to get. I don't want to get clothing or coffee mug, stuff like that. So that's what I get. And this is the October box. So October box, oh my God, Halloween's over, but that's okay. I can save it for next year. So the first one I got here, it's the Mickey Goes. Whoa, there's a button right here you can push. I don't know why there's no noise. Oh, I think I need to remove something in here. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Okay. It's not working. The battery can be dead. Oh, well, anyway, you're supposed to press this, make some kind of noise. That's fine. So this is this a put on your shoulder thing? Yes, you can put this on your shoulder. Obviously Halloween's over, but that's okay. I'm gonna save this for the future. How cute is that, right? Okay, the next item here is the Mickey ear. Every month, what depends the season and holiday, they have a coordinating merchandise just like the Disney here. So this is the Halloween year. Look at how pretty is this. Even though it's Halloween color, Halloween year, but I feel like I can still wear this during the regular season. Look at that. Oh, it matches my outfit. By the way, if you like t-shirt like this, make sure you private message me and put link below. We are selling our first merchandise. Be fantastic. We have a tote bag, we have a keychain, we have t-shirts. So if you like any of this item here, definitely check out my link below. Follow our new Instagram account called Be Fantastic. Be Fantastic is a small business I created with my good friend Vinyl Craze, and is providing you the ultimate penetrating experience. Not only we make merches, we also make fantasy pins. Ooh, look at this. So they are limited edition of 60 and 50. So if you like more information about this, check out our Instagram below. Be Fantastic, and then you can get your hand on these beautiful pieces. All right, so the next item here. Oh, how cute! This little candy right here. Little, I don't know, kind of soft jelly candy, I guess. You know what? Let me just open this and see how this tastes. Oh, it's a marshmallow. It's okay. All right. And then during the holiday season, they launched this Halloween mystery pins. And let's open this and see what we get here. I feel like the mystery box in Asia is definitely better design, better quality than ours here. So you open it, there are 2 pins in here. So there are 8 designs here. I think, hold on, let me put my glasses on. I think I would love to get, well, it's really, I don't know, either one's fine. Let's just open this now. Let's see what we get here. Oh, this is so cute. It's a Dale dressed as a ghost. Oh, okay. I was hoping to get Mickey or something like that, but this is the Pluto dressed as a ghost. Very, very cute. All right, so this is the box number 1 for October. Now, let's open the box number 2. The box number 2 is really focused on November time frame. I can't wait for the Christmas box. So I've been subscribed their box for the last, I would say 5 months already. I just look at this way. It's not cheap. I think it was like a $70, $80 including shipping. But think about this. I mean, to get this item, you had to fly to Hong Kong and then to buy a ticket. If you can find a merch, you had to bring it back. Just so much work. So I think this is not bad, doable. So in here, there's a little Winnie the Pooh mystery box. Oh, we're gonna open this one. And then, oh, how cute, Lina Bell key charm. The key charm has a ribbon all around it. It's this type of key charm. And the Lina Bell is dressing like a traditional Asian outfit. I love her tail is back here. All right, what else is in here? Oh, okay, here's one more thing. Pins, okay. Oh, awesome. So this is a Mickey Mouse dressed as a Kung Fu Master, limited edition of a 500. So I don't remember what they say. They say I think that if you get a bigger ticket item, it's 3 items. If they give you smaller ticket item, meaning the price, you get like a 4. I think 4 or something like that. And this apparently is a bigger ticket item, so probably more expensive. Let's open this right now. You guys know that lately I've been loving Labubu. If you know what's Labubu, you know. If you don't know, don't Google that. I'm gonna ruin you. So in here, let's see what this is. Oh my God, it's a part mark. I just realized that. This is a part mark. Oh, so they have a part mark in Hong Kong Disney. I know you can buy Disney part mark mystery box. I didn't know it's also available in the Hong Kong Disney Park. That's very nice. There's something in here. There's something in here. What the heck is all this? Okay, so it's not a secret. This is a secret. We're getting the regular. It's the Winnie the Pooh, and then this little attachment you can put it on his hand. So yeah, it's very cute. So yeah, so this are the item I got. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the let me leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about Magically Pick Me Up. It's worth the money to get a mystery item like this, or it's better you just try to buy individually from Mercari or eBay or different place. So yeah, I love to hear your feedback. Oh, one more thing here. There's a little card right here. It shows you the Winnie the Pooh. Super adorable, super adorable. All right, so I want to just share this with you in case you guys don't know this. I'm being very active on Whatnot. Whatnot is a selling platform, and I put information right here. You can always join me on my Whatnot show. I do 3 different categories. I sell Disney merch and Disney pins. And the other category, we do skincare. We host a skincare masterclass every Sunday. It's where the place that you can learn different tip and trick how to apply your skincare. You can also buy skincare from me for a discounted price. And recently, like I mentioned, let me show you. Hold, please. Ta-da! Recently, I started doing collectible toys. It's from Parmar, and this is a Zmomo. It's a Labubu's monster collection. This is Zmomo. This is so hard to find. So if you're interested in any of this interesting and cool item, or you want to support my small business, definitely check out my Whatnot shop. All right. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!